Hello everyone. The topic for today's discussion is Bharat New Car Assessment Program. Now the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has rolled out the Bharat New Car Assessment Program. Bharat NCAP is an indigenous star rating system for the crash testing cars. Under it, cars voluntarily nominated by automobile manufacturers will be crash tested as per protocols laid down in the soon to be published Automotive Industry Standards 197. The testing protocols adopted by the Bharat NCAP are modeled on the Global NCAP, which is a project of the UK-based NGO towards Zero Foundation. If we talk about the criteria for testing, the program is applicable to passenger vehicles with not more than 8 seats in addition to the driver's seat with gross vehicle weight not exceeding 3500 kgs. Let's see the parameters. Cars will be assigned a rating between 1 star to 5 stars after being evaluated on 3 parameters. First, adult occupant protection. Second, child occupant protection. And lastly, safety assist technologies present in the car. The rating system will be voluntary and will come into effect from October 1st, 2023. Though Bharat NCAP is voluntary, in certain cases, cars may be subjected to a crash test such as for a base model of a popular variant, minimum clocked sale of 30,000 units, or when the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways recommends a model for testing based on market feedback or in the interest of public safety. Now let's understand the need for such program. The objective of this program is to help consumers make an informed decision. India sees nearly 1.5 lakh road fatalities in a year, accounting for 10% of deaths due to road crashes globally with only 1% of the world's vehicles. According to a World Bank study, road crashes are estimated to cost the Indian economy between 5 to 7% of GDP a year. That's all for today. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel and come back tomorrow for more such updates and developments. Thank you for watching.